Grilled cheese doesn't have to be just for lunch or dinner. It can also be made for dessert. So today I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry and brie dessert grilled cheese. Let's throw it down. So for this grilled cheese, we're going to be using a brioche bread. Brioche is an enriched bread. It's a little different than regular bread. Regular bread is just made with flour and water and yeast, whereas a brioche bread is enriched so that it has eggs and it has sugar added to it. And those things make this a little bit richer, and it makes it sweeter, and it makes it perfect for a dessert grilled cheese. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and prep our brie. So brie typically has this kind of rind on the outside of it. We're going to cut most of that off for our grilled cheese. We're going to just kind of cut like long ways to get a lot of that rind off the side there. And I'm going to cut myself a nice thick slice for the grilled cheese. Go ahead and remove the rind off the sides as well. Okay, so we're going to use the juice of about half a lemon here. So I'm going to roll this around to get the juices running. Just cut it in half here. Alright, so we're going to macerate these blueberries just a little. Let these, I've got the griddle heated on low. We're going to just kind of let these start to heat up. And you see they're getting a little warm. And a little bit of the juice starts to come out. We're going to throw on some sugar. Ooh, that's a lot of sugar. We're not trying to make this into like a complete mush, but we do want that juice to start flowing. That sugar starts to kind of cook on. That's pretty close to what I want to see right there. So I'm going to hit it with a quick hit of lemon juice here. That will just kind of cut through some of that sweetness of that sugar. Pull these off. Alright, so we're going to throw down a light layer of butter here for our bread. And we'll let that toast on both sides. Once the bread is toasted on one side, we're going to give it a flip. We're going to go ahead and put brie down on one side and cover it with our macerated blueberries. And we're going to add a little bit more brie to the top before putting our other slice of bread, toasted side down on top. You want to cut into it. We're going to do it at an angle. This is going to be very delicate. Okay, there it is, our blueberry and brie dessert grilled cheese. Let's give this thing a try. It's very messy. But the sweetness of those blueberries with that sugar and that lemon juice and the brie just balances that out just right. That nice, sweet brioche bread kind of holds everything together. Oh, so good. Make sure you give this a try. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.